Hi, Class 11. It's Miss Simmons. Our book today is Pete the Cat's Groovy Bake Sale. This was written and illustrated by James Dean. Pete the Cat is so excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. Pete loves cookies. Pete loves pies. Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. That looks yummy. But are those healthy foods or sometimes foods? Choosy would say those are sometimes foods. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. He rolls the dough into balls, and his mom helps him put them in the oven. They wait for the cookies to bake. They smell so yummy. Then things smell yet less yummy. Some of the cookies are burned. Oh dear. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. He tries to make pudding pie, but he runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. Oh, what's Pete gonna do? You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. He has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. What could he do with all that? I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding and stirs. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. Pete puts the tray in the fridge, and the next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. His mom helps him scoop his treats into little cups, and he brings them to school. Pete puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. What is that? Asked Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone. They love them. Way to go, Pete. Oh, but Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thanks for helping, Mom. Way to go, Pete. You did it. I'll see you next time. Bye.